Arbitrage betting, or arbing, is a strategy where bettors place wagers on all possible outcomes of an event using different bookmakers to guarantee a profit, regardless of the result. This works when bookmakers offer different odds for the same event, allowing bettors to exploit the price differences. How does arbitrage betting work? Find different odds on the same event. Bookmakers set different odds based on their risk assessment. Sometimes, these odds create an opportunity where betting on all outcomes guarantees a profit. Place bets on each outcome across different bookmakers. By covering all possible results at carefully calculated stakes, you ensure a profit no matter what happens. Lock in a risk-free profit. If done correctly, one of the bets will always win, covering losses from the other bets and ensuring a guaranteed return. Example of arbitrage betting. Imagine a tennis match where two bookmakers offer different odds. Bookmaker A. Player 1 wins at 2.10 odds. Bookmaker B. Player 2 wins at 2.00 odds. By calculating the correct stakes, you can bet on both players and lock in a profit regardless of who wins. Why do arbitrage opportunities exist? Bookmakers set different odds. Each sportsbook has its own odds-making system, leading to discrepancies. Market movements. Odds shift as bettors place wagers, creating opportunities for arbitrage. Human error. Occasionally, bookmakers miscalculate odds, allowing brief chances to profit. Pros and cons of arbitrage betting. Pros. Risk-free profits. If executed correctly, arbing guarantees returns. Not dependent on luck. Unlike normal betting, you don't rely on predicting winners. Works in many sports. Football, tennis, basketball, and even political bets can have arbitrage opportunities. Cons. Bookmakers may limit or ban accounts if detected. Sportsbooks may restrict arbors. Requires large capital for small profits. Arbitrage margins are often small, so larger bets are needed for meaningful earnings. Fast execution. Needed odds change quickly, and delays can ruin opportunities. How to get started with arbitrage betting. Use arbitrage betting calculators. These tools help find profitable bets and calculate correct stakes. Have multiple bookmaker accounts. More options increase the chance of finding arbing opportunities. Act quickly. Arbitrage opportunities disappear fast as odds adjust. Stay under the radar. Avoid suspicious betting patterns to prevent bookmaker restrictions. Quick recap. What is arbitrage betting? Placing bets on all outcomes at different bookmakers to guarantee a profit. How does it work? Take advantage of odds discrepancies to cover all possible results. Why does it exist? Bookmakers set different odds based on their risk models. What are the risks? Betting limits, account restrictions, and quickly changing odds. Arbitrage betting can be a risk-free way to profit, but it requires fast execution, multiple bookmaker accounts, and careful strategy to succeed.